I think if we stand
SGV News First out here with High Desert Community Watch. Our first time auditing together. He's a great guy, the Foxy Queen. And we also got Mr. Scientifico in a new channel that's coming out. Is SGV Cop Watch Vigilante. If you guys could hit him up, like and subscribe to his channel, SGV Cop Watch Vigilante. And so yeah, we're out here at the Pitches Detention Center in the city of Valencia, California. And yeah, let's see what happens. We're in the parking lot right now, visitor parking. So we're gonna check out the visitor center.
Looks like Magic Mountain, huh?
Yeah, let's go for a ride.
one right, we won't miss Valencia.
Mr. Toad's Wild Ride.
No cell phones prohibited, no weapons.
Oh, really? Did you read the sign right here?
I'm reading it. Yep, same goes to you people.
No, yeah, that's why I was asking the question.
Get a different job. Neither do I.
I just need a piece of paper for him, that's all. You have no choice. To visit somebody here. So it gives you all the rules, regulations, and all that. And he was cool about it. He was, yeah. As long as I don't pass the boundaries.
Yeah, so we're here in the back side of the detention center in the parking lot. Guess we got a fenced off area, obviously. This guy's over here, parked, just watching us is what it looks like, probably. Sorry about that.
That place is tucked away.
Hell yeah.
You know, it's like, I don't know if you guys noticed, but one of my favorite lines is no thank you.
Mm-hmm.
That's a shutdown line. No thank you. Like if I gave you this paper and you say no thank you, if I gave it to you again, I'm being rude. If I give it to you again, I'm being more rude. So, because that's basically like, okay, that's it. I don't want to. Thank you. Like that's an end statement. So anything that gets said after that, it makes them look rude. You know, like, hey, come here, no thank you. I said stop, no thank you. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not being rude, but it's a statement where there's no more conversation after. It shouldn't be. Yeah. For vegetation?
Well, I think these guys definitely deserve a pass. They told us when we went in to ask for paperwork that we were okay to film here. And been walking around, checked out the back gate, the guard gate, the entry gate, registration. Yep. I think we're gonna give this one a pass.
Hold on. I don't know. We're auditing right now. Hold on one second. We're at Pitches Detention Center. No. It's not like that. It's got a visitor center, so it's not like functionally like.
STD first. He's a backup cameraman. I'll tell you what, man. Having a wingman is the best thing you can do. But we also can't be afraid to do stuff alone, you guys. We're only as strong as each other.
Okay.
If we're all strong on our own, imagine how much stronger we are when we get together. So that's how I believe. I believe we should all be able to stand on our own if we have to. I believe that's how we show the most strength. But it definitely is safer. And it's fun.
Right. Did they say something? Is that why we're standing here?
No. I was. We're gonna get.
SGV News first out here, and it looks like we might have some contact. This guy thought he was going to follow us out. And
Alright. Get off the X. Let's go.
come on, let's go.
Come on.
There's another sheriff behind us.
Yeah. Just ask her if you can tell.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing today?
We don't want to talk to you, man. We don't answer any questions.
Alrighty.
Have a good day.
What are you guys up to? Yeah, you guys have a good day too.
Yeah, thanks.
Have a good one.
STV first, like a boss.
Do you guys need help with something? Oh, he's mad now.
I'll tell you guys, that's how you do it. STV first, like a boss. I don't want to talk to you. We have no reason. Remember, we're just trying to keep it going.
Look, they're huddled up like they're making a plan now.
We have no jurisdiction. We have no jurisdiction over us.
Fucking clowns. Oh, here comes the backup of the backup.
Let's leave the X.
Yep.
Let's leave the beehive and the whole line of it.
Yep.
Perfect example, man. Hey, that's a perfect example.
Foxy's waving at him.
So, I'm gonna say right here.
Oh, here comes another one.
Here comes another one right here too. This up to now has been a perfect way to hold your ground on an audit.
So we definitely got some contact. They backed off, but it looks like there's another one coming. I'm gonna go live.